Hello, today I'm okay, I should focus. Hi, I'm unboxing this Star Wars Lego.
If I
It's
were you, I'm just going
AAT
to talk everything I want.
7. It's recommended for age 7 to 12, and number is 75080. And I've unboxed the first pack. Inside it, there's back one.
Cái này ngày mua một gì bạn lên của bác. Lu
Back
tunggu
one
gua berangkat
open.
langsung.
Yeah, Pak.
Lupi. Lu
Back
tunggu gua
two.
berangkat. Tahu aja.
And back 3. I'm not gonna do the building. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the unboxing and review.
Bener-bener nonstop tuh dia 18 jam.
I'm serious.
18 jam
The characters is Jar Jar Binks
bohong tahu kan? Lu jangan percaya deh.
and one pilot droid and a droid. Here it is. Let's take a look at the back. The back. And my cousin's here. Okay, forget it. Yeah, forget it. Bye!